Hi everybody, I'm Jan Losemann, founder of Udesk. Our experts for law, tax and HR help your business in Germany become easier and even more profitable. This video is about VAT compliance. If you are VAT compliant, you are not only respecting the law, it also can help you to raise a number of interesting business opportunities. But if you are not VAT compliant, you really can run into trouble. We have identified 4 interesting opportunities if you are VAT compliant and 7 quite important problems if you are not. Let's start with the problems. First of all, the risk of very high, unexpected, retroactive payments to the tax office. Imagine you are a business owner from abroad selling your products in German territory. For some reasons, you thought that you did not have to participate in the German system. But there are a number of exceptions, and during a VAT audit 4 years later, the tax office finally asks you to pay retroactive VAT for your whole turnover during those 4 years. Now, if you made 250,000 of turnover each year, that makes 1 million in 4 years. If your product falls into the category of the normal German VAT rate, of the most common German VAT rate, which is 19%, this would mean a payment of 190,000 euros. Normally, VAT is not a problem for a business because it's neutral. You charge 100 euro net value to your client plus 19% VAT. You give 19 euros to the tax office and you can keep 100. No problem, it's neutral. But in this case of an audit, it might be quite difficult to obtain this VAT from your clients. So you will have to pay it out of your pocket, and that hurts. Secondly, on top of those 190,000 euros, to stay with our example, you would have to pay 6% of interest for each year of late payment. Third, additionally, to punish you even more for late payment, the tax office will make you pay late surcharges for supplements for late payment, which can also be quite significant. In some special cases, fourth problem, the tax office can even come up with criminal charges against you. If this happens, fifth problem, you will have to assume quite high fees for legal advice, for lawyers, for tax advisors, and maybe even for accountants to help you and assist you during such an audit. All of this is completely unnecessary if VAT is handled correctly from the beginning. The sixth problem is that if the tax office comes to the conclusion that you are not VAT compliant, it's quite likely that they will also come up with further inspection of other taxes, for instance, corporate tax. And the seventh problem sometimes is even the worst. It's about your reputation. During such a tax audit, the tax office can also counter-check some of the invoices at not only in your own office, but also in the offices of your providers or your clients. And they will usually not like that at all. So it really can damage your business relationships and, your reputation. Now, let's talk about the positive things, the opportunities. If you are VAT compliant from the first day, it's usually much simpler for you to obtain quick refunds of input tax. Secondly, it can also help you with your market entry to Germany. For example, regarding providers. A provider like Amazon, for example, might be important for you if you want to sell your products on German territory. Well, Amazon and other providers will for sure check if you are VAT compliant, if you have a VAT number, and if everything is handled correctly. Otherwise, they won't accept you as a client. The third applies also to your market entry, this time regarding your own clients. If you want to sell to important companies, for example in the automotive industry, they will not only ask you for your VAT number, certificates, etc. They will even usually try to agree contractually with you up on the workflows for invoicing, and they want to make sure that you're really aware of all the issues. So if you come well informed to the first meetings with your potential clients and show them that you have understood everything regarding VAT, this will help to establish trust and a better business relationship from the beginning. And finally, fourth advantage. If you're really aware of all VAT issues, you might even be able to structure in an intelligent way your European VAT situation. For example, you could try to get registered only in Germany and do everything from here. This way you would avoid to register in many other European countries, which otherwise might become necessary if you do not structure this from the beginning. We will very happily advise you regarding such possibilities. Now, that's it for today regarding VAT compliance. I hope it was interesting for you, and if you have more questions, please do not hesitate to call us or to send us a message. We will reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, it would be great if you could give us a like here below or even write a short comment. See you soon. Take care and goodbye.